maximum amount of serum to... Oh no, I didn't say Siri, I said serum.
I don't know what you mean by... Oh no, I didn't say Siri, I said Syrah. How about a web search for it?
No, all set, thank you. What? Siri is straight up stalking me right now.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves. She moves. And
It's like the loudest truck ever outside right now. Like, why is it so loud? Oh, yes, just park right outside. Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel. This is Unapologetic Skincare and Beauty, and I am Stephanie, and you have happened upon my August 2018 Boxycharm unboxing. Yes, this is only my second Boxycharm I've ever received. The first one I was not super happy with. I was a little disappointed with it because I didn't like the eyeshadow palette that I got, and there was a couple other things that I wasn't a fan of, but overall I think it's a great value anyways. You only paid like 21 bucks for this, and you usually get 4 to 5 full-size items in it, so it's a good value. A fly just flew like by my face. What are you doing? I'm gonna murder it. Come back here, dude. Come back here and see what happens. Right in my face. Like, I don't care if you want to hang out here with me, but don't fly in front of my face when I'm recording. It's rude. Let's get back to it. So here she is. I got lipstick on her. Beautiful, I'm so happy. Let's take my handy dandy little kitchen knife. So let's get inside the box. That was easy. All right, so right when I see, here's what we got. You open it up. Your little Boxycharm thing, which it's giving me 20% off my next order on Smashbox.com and 25% off my next order at Laura Lee Cosmetics, which I really love Smashbox. Like, I need primer and I love their primer, so I might use that. But that is also telling me that possibly there are Smashbox and Laura Lee products in here. So, oh my God, I just opened it and accidentally saw something. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna reach in. You can see it, but I can't. So this feels like a palette, but this feels like a palette, so I'm just gonna pull this out. Oh, So this is the Smashbox, the Be Legendary Pucker Up Lip Palette, I believe. Yep, it's a lipstick palette in neutral. So here's my problem with this. As much as I love Smashbox, they have these at TJ Maxx right now, and also, I'm not like a huge fan of like putting lipstick on in this way, but we'll see. I'll use it. Let me show you the inside. Got one of those like changing things, like my mouth's closed, no, my mouth's open, no, my mouth's closed, no, it's open. And then you open it up like this, and then inside you've got all your different colors of lipsticks and a little brush or something. Yeah, like a lipstick brush, like a small little brush that you can put the lipstick on with. So, oops, right here is First Time Matte, and this is a Mauve Matte, and this is Safe Word Matte. Can you see where I'm pointing? Safe Word Matte. Famous, Cognac, I was gonna say Cognac, and Coffee Run, which I really need one of those now, but that confuses me because that's like pinky. Like, this should be Coffee Run, not Famous, and this should be Famous and not Coffee Run, because this is like brown. What kind of coffee have you ever had that's this color? Never. Let's go in here to First Time Matte. What? Maybe it like takes a minute to get in there? I don't know. We've got Coffee Run, Cognac, Famous, Safe Word Matte, Mauve Matte, First Time Matte. I don't know, whatever. I'm like, okay. I don't know. I'll probably end up giving this to someone. I don't really use lipstick like this, but I can try. Guys, I can try. I don't want to sound like a spoiled brat. I can try. It's Smashbox. I love Smashbox. I can try, but I can't make any promises. Let's get back in the box. Tarte. Oh. Well, first of all, it looks like somebody else already tried to open it, but somebody else already tried to get in there. This is a Tarte Lifted Sweat Proof Mascara. Okay. It says formulated without parabens, mineral oil, something that starts with a P, phthalates, triclosan. So this is boring. It's a Tarte lifted mascara and it's sweat proof, which I wonder if it means it's waterproof, because I hate waterproof mascaras because they never come off, and I feel like I have to like scrub at my eyes to get them off, and I don't like scrubbing at my eyes. I really like the packaging on it. Like, it's pretty. I like anything purple. The brush looks nice. I mean, I like getting mascara because I don't buy high-end mascaras. I buy drugstore mascaras. So when I have a chance to try something high-end, I am excited, especially if I don't have to pay for it. So I'm definitely kind of like pumped about that. I'm not a huge Tarte fan just because I don't like that they make a bunch of unicorn and like mermaid stuff for grown women when we don't want that. But this is not a unicorn or mermaid thing, and it's really pretty. It's purple and pink. I'm into it. Way more into it than the Smashbox Be Legendary lip kit that I can get at TJ Maxx and Marshalls right now. It's like, that kind of annoys me. It's like, are you trying to get rid of your old stuff and just throwing it into TJ Maxx and Marshalls and Boxycharm? NCLA Los Angeles treatments. So rich. Vitamin E infused cuticle oil. Okay, so here she is. It's a cuticle oil. I mean, I actually really need a cuticle oil right now because I'll show you, but this is gross. I was watching a movie and it was like a scary movie, and I started biting on my cuticles, and now they're all ripped up, like an absolute mess. So this is actually great. I've never heard of this company, but I mean, how bad could it be? It's cuticle oil, so I'm excited about it. What's next? I know this is the palette because I feel it, so I'm gonna wait till last for that. And I think that's the only thing in there besides whatever this is. I don't know what it is though. It just says Bang Beauty. Okay, gel eyeliner. Bang Beauty chocolate gel eyeliner. Wow. So Boxycharm's really pushing me out of my comfort zone with makeup products today. I never use a gel eyeliner. I only use like an eyeliner stick, and I have a hard enough time with that. And I never use like a lip thing that you have to put on with a brush. It's always like lip gloss or lipstick. So yeah, they want me to try new things. It's actually a really good color. It feels like it would work for me. I just have enough of a, ooh, it's like sticky though. Bang Beauty, I don't think I've ever heard of them as a company, but I'm sure they're good, and we'll see. Oh, there's something else besides the palette. So there are Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and I have gotten 3 of them. And I'm actually really happy about this because I like Wander Beauty in general. They are a good company. They sent me a mascara last month, so I don't know what these are supposed to do. Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, individually packaged gold foiled eye masks to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to... Oh no, I didn't say Siri, I said serum.
I don't know what you mean by, oh no, I didn't say Siri, I said Sarah. How about a web search for it?
No, all set, thank you. What? Siri is straight up stalking me right now. Anyways, these are gonna be good. They're supposed to be for like, you know, eye bags and dark circles, and hopefully it will firm and sort of, yeah, it says the third is cellulose fiber that condenses and delivers key ingredients, efficiently giving you all the skin-loving benefits you need. Hyaluronic acid, which is really good for hydration, diminished appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Aloe leaf extract and lavender oil offer a cooling effect while soothing and calming the eye area. I like eye stuff because I think my eyes are the one place that I struggle with. They're the place I see my age the most, where I started seeing my age. And like, I'm not old. Okay, I know. Don't tell me that. I know, but we all get older, right? And we see it happening, and it almost feels like one day you're like not, and then the next day you're like, whoa, where did those wrinkles come from? What's happening, and how do I get rid of them? And so I like eye products because that's like the place. Your skin around your eyes are super like thin and sensitive. All right, last but not least, It's a palette. It's a little guy, but it's Laura Lee. It's the Party Animal palette. And I have to admit, I knew I was getting this because everybody knew, but I'm just happy to have it in my hands. I don't care if it's a little guy. I think it's so cute, and I've never tried anything Laura Lee, and I don't care, come for me, hate me. I love watching Laura Lee. She cracks me up. Like, she's funny. I don't care if she knows how to do makeup. I don't care if she's like a horrible person. I also love Jeffree Star. He's awesome to watch. You know, that doesn't mean that I'm on one person's side or the other. There's no drama. I just think that they're funny people to watch, and I've never tried any of her eyeshadows, so I'm excited to do so. It's so bright, guys. Here is the Laura Lee Party Animal eyeshadow palette, and then you open it. Girl, so pretty. Oh my God. So I have to obviously swatch this for you. But if you want, I'm just gonna swatch it, but if you want me to use it and give you a review on what I thought about it, let me know. So I already have like the Smashbox swatches, whatever, so we'll do it like here instead. Here she is, pop her open. Oh my God. So this shade is called Issa Party. I don't know, is that like supposed to be making fun of people with an accent? Issa Party. Damage Control. Karaoke, which I love, and Drinks with an A, Bottoms Up, and Hungover. I'm not a huge fan of the shade names just because I'm not like this huge fan of promoting, encouraging, or making gratuitous drinking or over drinking like, you know, cool, or make it look funny or cool. As you could have probably seen from my other video where I did my sister's makeup, I have 3 mimosas and I'm like done. All right, so this guy here is Issa Party. They're really soft. Okay, all right, not too shabby. And then this one here is Damage Control. The pigment's not bad, right? I mean, it's not terrible. And then here is Karaoke. Okay, okay. I mean, they're not as like bright as I thought, which isn't a bad thing because these are very bright colors, right? So if they looked like this, like on your eyes, like as bright, it would almost be too much. You know, when would you wear that? I'm out of like arm space and finger space, but oh, if you want to see, those are them on my fingers. This is Issa Party, this is Damage Control, and this is Karaoke. What am I gonna use for fingers? Wipe it on my sweatpants. Ugh. All right, then we have Drinks with an A. And we'll go ahead over here, Drinks. Let's try to go in for a little more because this is not giving the payoff. Okay, that's better, right? Whatever. And then we've got Bottoms Up here. Bottoms up, bottoms up. That's nice. And then we've got Hungover here, which is like a purpley. I don't know if you can kind of see, but it's like a really dark purple. And we're gonna put that red in the middle. Oh, okay. So I don't know. What do you guys think? This purple is awesome. These are beautiful. The pink's okay. The yellow, I've really been dying for a yellow eye color that's kind of like this, like matte, not sparkly, so I'm pumped about that. And the orange, I hope it's better on the eyes. All right, so now that I'm literally like just a mess, covered in makeup, let's check the prices of everything and see what we got, right? For, you know, how much we spent, which was $21 for the box. I don't know, why am I so out of it? Where's my calculator? Oh, it's over there. I hope Siri doesn't ask me any more questions. All right, so pull the old calculator out. All right, so I keep saying, all right, so, all right, so, all right, so, like, all right, so what? All right, so, I have to come up with something different. It appears that the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette, the MSRP of that, so the full retail is $19. $19. And then we've got the Tarte Cosmetics Lifted Sweatproof Mascara, and the full retail of that is $23. And we have the Smashbox Be Legendary Pucker Up palette. The total retail of that is $24. And then we've got the Wander Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and the MSRP is $13. The Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliner, $22 MSRP, and the NCLA So Rich Lollipop. Oh, that's the cuticle oil. I'm like, I didn't get a lollipop. Why is it called that? That is an MSRP of $18. So we got $119, I think, right? I think last month our like total products and stuff was a little bit more than $119, but still paying I think it was 21 bucks or whatever. I think it was 21 bucks for the box. And then getting $119 worth of stuff is pretty cool, and to me, not a loss. Now there is gonna be a new thing for Boxycharm called Boxy Luxe, and that's gonna be more like a FabFitFun, so it's gonna come like oh my god, that fly continues to fly in front of my face directly. I'm going to lose my mind. Anyways, Boxy Luxe is gonna be more of like a quarterly thing, like a FabFitFun, so it's gonna be a bigger box, and it's a huge box, and I forget what the pricing is, guys, I'm so sorry, but I know for a fact it was under $50, so I think it was like $49.95. You would pay that quarterly, you'd get a big box, and there would be, you know, a bunch of stuff in there, and it would be more than you get with your Boxycharm. Basically, you know, look into it. It might be something you're interested in. I don't know if I'm gonna do it this time or kind of like chill and see what the first box looks like and then do it, but I know I'm gonna keep Boxycharm for now. I love it. It's been really great to me. I got a lot of cool stuff, like the palette's gonna be fun. These eye things are great. The mascara's good. The other three things, like the cuticle gel and the eyebrow mousse and then this Smashbox thing, were like, whatever, kind of like bonuses, but whatever, I'm happy. And last month, my sister signed up and she got last month's box, and then she got this month's box, and I know for a fact she was not happy with the Laura Lee palette because my sister is more of like a neutral, like, you know, more, I think she would have liked the, I think Laura Lee came out with another one called like the Boss palette or like a Boss palette or something, but that's supposed to be more wearable, neutral shades you can, you know, wear to work and stuff. My sister would have liked that better than she liked the Party Animal, but I liked Party Animal better, so I'm happy about it. Sorry, Sam. All right, guys, so that's it for this. If you guys enjoyed, please hit that thumbs up button and like it. Leave me a comment and let me know if you got something different in your box, because I know there were other things, like there were lashes that some people were getting from House of Lashes, things like that. Let me know what you got in your box. And let me know if you're planning to sign up for Boxy Luxe. Also, if you're interested in Boxycharm, I think it's completely worth it. And I would not say that about everything, like Birchbox. Not say that about Birchbox, but Boxycharm is worth it. If you want to sign up, I will put a code in the bottom and you can use that code, and it would do, you know, me a favor. Like, subscribe, and comment. I do at least 3 unboxings every month. I do Ipsy, I do Sephora Play, and I do this one, Boxycharm. And I do other stuff too, makeup reviews, skincare stuff. I would love to have you here, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because why wouldn't you? Anyways, stay kind, stay beautiful. I'll see you next time, and I love you. Mwah! Bye!